Hey guys, today I will show you how to make table of content on Google document. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, this is our document. So in order to make table of content, select your first title and go to Format and choose Paragraph Style. And choose Header 1 and click on Apply Header 1. Then let's make the same thing for our second title. Now if I want to create a subcontent under my second title, select our subtitle and go to Format and choose Paragraph Style. And choose Header 2, then click on Apply Heading 2. Now go to the start of our page and press Ctrl Enter to create a page break. Then go to Insert and choose Table of Content. And choose your style, then click on it. Yeah, now as you can see, we create our table of content successfully. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.